Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare Lexus RX vs NX 2022, which is better. Focus on size, ride comfort, fuel economy, and tech to find your fit. I'll walk through exterior dimensions, cabin space, cargo capacity, and common trim differences. Expect practical notes on visibility, rear legroom, and everyday usability. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which Lexus matches your priorities and driving lifestyle. Both models balance comfort and efficiency differently, so evaluate intended use and driving routes. The RX often has stronger acceleration and a more planted feel on long drives, while the NX shines in stop and go traffic with its efficient powertrains. Test drive both in similar conditions to sense steering weight and ride compliance. Pay attention to real-world MPG, braking feel, and how each handles tight parking situations. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers are perfect for keeping trunk snacks tidy during test drives and road trips. They seal tightly, stack neatly, and save spills in your cargo area. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Look beyond headline specs and compare standard equipment levels and option packs. The RX's larger cabin translates to easier child seat installation and more cargo room for weekend gear. The NX compensates with nimble footprint and easier urban parking. Check which trims include driver assists like lane centering, adaptive cruise, and blind spot monitoring as standard items to avoid expensive add-ons later.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.